Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will learn ch words. When the letter C and H join together, make sound ch, ch, ch. It means when you see these two letters together in a word, we will say ch, ch. We will not spell like this k, h, or we will not say CH. We will just simply use one sound ch. So this is digraph. Do you know what is digraph? When two letters join together make one sound. This is called digraph. So this is ch sound digraph. Now let's look ch sound blending words. Please repeat after me. Ch, e, n, chin. Ch, e, p, chip. Ch, rich. Ch, p, chop. Ch, at, chat. Ch, much. Punch, punch. Bench, bench. Bunch, bunch. Lunch, lunch. Finch, finch. Check. Munch, munch. Chick, and chicken. Pinch, pinch. Chimp, chimp. Chest, chest. Check. Chess. Crunch, crunch. Chunk, chunk. Chug. Chuff. Drench, drench. So these are all ch sound blending words. So this digraph is very important for a child when they are reading their words, because if they don't know about this digraph, they will sound like k, h, e, so it will not make ch sound. If they know about ch sound, they can easily read their word. Now watch this video again and please make your child to repeat these sounds after me. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and don't forget to subscribe for more lessons update. Thank you.